Welcome to our Drawtify walkthrough. Are you tired of complicated design tools and endless tutorials? Imagine creating stunning vector graphics in minutes. No design degree needed. Today I'm excited to introduce you to Drawtify, the super user-friendly online vector design app and SVG editor that makes designing a breeze. Why Drawtify? Drawtify isn't just another online Illustrator. It's your all-in-one solution for creating professional logos, icons, infographics, animated logos, and so much more. Whether you're a seasoned graphic designer or a complete beginner, Drawtify's intuitive three-step workflow lets you 1. Choose a template or start fresh. Select from beautiful editable templates or begin with a blank canvas. 2. Customize your design. Easily replace logos, text, images, and data using its powerful SVG editor. 3. Polish and export. Adjust layouts, colors, and add special effects or animations. Then, download your masterpiece in JPG, PNG, SVG, PDF, or even export your animations as GIFs or videos. Hear it from users. Users rave about Drawtify's rich online design resources and how it speeds up their workflow. One reviewer said, "I have Adobe, Canva, and other tools, but Drawtify is my go-to because of its ease and speed." While a few have noted occasional lag, overall, Drawtify is praised as a keeper for anyone needing high-resolution, scalable graphics. Unbeatable deal. And here's the kicker. Right now, you can grab lifetime access to Drawtify for only $79.90. Regularly priced at $990, that's a whopping 92% off. This one-time payment gets you unlimited design possibilities for years to come. Ready to transform your designs? Check the description section below for all the details and the affiliate link to grab this deal before it's gone. If you enjoy this walkthrough, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more creative tools and design tips. Thanks for watching, and happy designing with Drawtify.